Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to set dark mode on Snapchat. If you've been wanting to give your app a sleek new look and reduce eye strain, especially at night, this guide will help you get it done in just a few simple steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access all of the settings. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can see your Snap code, your friends, and all the details linked to your account. Next, find the gear-shaped settings icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open the full settings menu where you can adjust everything from your account information to your privacy preferences. Scroll down until you find the section labeled App Appearance. This is the option that controls how your app looks. Once you've tapped on App Appearance, you'll see a few choices. To keep Snapchat in dark mode at all times, select Always Dark. This will instantly change the entire interface into a darker theme, making it easier on the eyes and giving the app a more modern look. Some people prefer to set it on Match System, which follows your phone's overall theme. But if you want to guarantee dark mode is always on, Always Dark is the setting you'll want to pick. And that's it. Just 3 simple steps. Open Snapchat, head into your profile in Settings, and choose the App Appearance option that fits your preference. Switching to dark mode not only makes for a cleaner and stylish appearance, but it's also more comfortable when you're snapping and scrolling in low-light environments. Now you know exactly how to set dark mode on Snapchat quickly and easily. Go ahead and try it out for yourself and enjoy a smoother, more relaxed experience every time you use the app.